Hi EDU 5111 students, Dr. Branch here, and I wanted to show you around Moodle a little bit. Some of you may have already used it and some of you may be new to it, but I think by now we're all pretty comfortable with online learning, although some of you may have been on the instructor side of it at your own school and not have been a student in online learning. So I think that we're kind of coming from different places, but I kind of wanted to show you around our classroom. You'll notice up here, there's some really important information. Here we have Zoom meeting information for when we have our Zoom meetings. Here we have the announcements. This is where I will send out some announcements that I think are important for us. Here we have the syllabus. Just pop that open for a second, and at your leisure, you can kind of go through that. It has some good information about the books that we need, some of the standards. So it has all of the activities that we do for each week. So you can kind of go through that whenever you have time. Okay, and here we have Task Stream. You may have heard of this. We will not need to worry about that until week 7. We will be putting a couple of our assignments in for week 7, but basically this is your portfolio that you will be keeping some of your assignments in from each of your classes. So, and then also we have Ask Michelle. So if you think that you have a good question that would benefit the whole class, then you can ask, and then I will get back to you. And here, why all the fuss about writing? That's part of what we're going to do in week 1. And then we have helpful tools. This is the catalog program for graduate students. Okay, so let's get to week 1. In each of your weeks, you will see where it says week 1 video, start here. Each week I'll have a video that will kind of walk you through what we're doing for the week. This one's a little bit longer since I went over the stuff that was at the beginning. And then here we have each week you'll have a sequence of study and assignments. And it just sort of, I'll pop that open real quick so you can see it. If you scroll down here, it just kind of goes through what we're doing each week. Might help you keep track of things. And also each week you'll have resource documents. That is really important because it houses all of our assignments and rubrics. So this week we have a grammar rock preposition that will help you with one of your assignments. And then, I won't go through all of these, but you can go through those, and those will help you with some of the things that we're doing this week. This week you have an orientation quiz. You can take it as many times as you want to make sure that you know how to navigate things. We also have getting to know you, so we can sort of introduce ourselves to each other. Get rid of that. And then I'm so excited about the books that we read in this class. We have Ruby Payne, and then one of my favorite books, The Glass Castle by Jeanette Walls. So I'm really excited for you guys to read that. And then we have a grammar refresher, preposition forum, presentation due. We're going to start working on our first paper, but that won't be due until next week. And then a reflection on the writing process. And then you have an individual writing plan. And we'll actually circle back to this in our last week and see if you've met your goals. So anyway, that's what we have for week 1. I'm really excited to get started and to be working with you during our session together. So Anyway, have a good week and take care.